Yo, what's up? Today we're going to be looking at the TR2 conversion kit, turning the marksman rifle into the SMG. We had a couple of good games today, 3 in total. Have a look, but subscribe. You need to. Let's hop into it. This gun's alright.
Eliminate the objective.
Oh, why am I lagging so bad, bro? Really thought there's going to be someone in the bathroom. Unfortunate, I was wasting time now. Peekaboo. Another one to the left. Knew it.
There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them. Work quick and clean. No witnesses.
Come through.
Crimson Axel to Rogue Spy. We know you're here.
Stop it. Get some help.
Destroy the objective. Enemy UAV inbound.
Nah, fuck it. I'm going to escape round. I'm not even going to risk that shit. Fuck, there's guys behind me. Great.
Objective remains. Terminate with extreme.
Fuck, bro!
You know what Langley expects. Get it done.
Oh, what a beauty. What a beauty of a combat axe there. Honestly.
There's only one
Give me
traitor
that back,
left.
boy.
Eliminate them. Enemy charges set.
Shit, let's go.
We're defusing the bomb. Bomb. Now. Eliminate the objective.
UAV established overhead. UAV fuel check fit.
Okay, don't mind if I do.
2 hours later.
There we go.
The last 3 rounds are. CIA, you're cleared hot. Work your frag list.
Oh, here we go. Final round. Let's try and get this Hellstorm, maybe. Nice one, teammate. Saved my life.
Bomb plant in progress.
Nope. Harmony behind us.
No, 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 no.
Not much time left. Put this to bed.
Oh my god. Oh yes. Beautiful 19. Couldn't get the 20.
Dispatching.
The objective.
Big up your stream then, I guess. That's what they like.
Oh my gosh. They're in the house now.
I'm lagging like fuck. Jesus, what is happening to my game? What is happening? My game's doggy doo doo. Oh no! Bro!
Time to get our heads dirty, Black Ops. Get to
Bro,
work.
what is wrong with my game?
Get a UAV on grid.
Why am I lagging so bad, bro?
Guns up. Destroy the objective.
Didn't mean to shoot, but it worked out. So can't really complain. Someone's definitely up here. Bye, mate. Rest of them are gonna be A or middle.
2 hours later.
Time's not on our side. Finish him. Find him. End him. We've taken the last 3 rounds.
I'm lagging like fuck, bro. You still can't win against me. My game's like so shit right now, bro.
Make some hate on him.
There is no fucking way I just died to a grenade, bro.
Oh my god!
Eliminate the objective.
Looks good. 1 EKIA.
That's 5
I don't
dubs.
have enough for
I
Dell,
like
bro.
what I'm
I'm
seeing.
not gonna lie. Why does my game look like this, bro? I don't know what the fuck's happening with this
PC
match,
is live. Assume all contacts
but I'm
are
not
hostile.
liking it.
Bandana going hard.
2 hours later.
God damn, I love
Yeah, I
it.
love them too.
Hotel
Ain't
TL.
bad. Alright. Let's try and do good with the fucking gun again.
Remind those
It's an alright
shits
gun.
who they're dealing with.
Don't know what the fuck was happening last game. Protocol isn't a bad map though.
Oh, there's one coming.
Stop it. Get some help.
Round 2.
Guns up.
Let's
Destroy the
go.
objective.
Fuck it, I'm going straight mid again. Straight into their fucking spawn. Fuck this. Don't get me against weak.
Hostile UAV established overhead.
Yeah, I have 8 bullets. RJ is shit, bro. Kids get fucking shit on. Let's go, where you at, boy?
Only one enemy standing. Find them. End them.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Oh, there's no way. He's in the spawn, he's sniping.
Strike's not on our side. Finish him.
Oh? No, the other spawn. Just be careful, he is fucking sweat little bum cheek liquor. He's sweaty as fuck, bro. He could be on the bomb. Grab the bomb. It's up on the, jump on top of that aircon. There you go. Go plant. Quickly, go to B. Yeah.
Bomb plan in progress. The bomb has been planted.
Right there. Oh man, we're going against a fucking sweaty little sniper duo.
Protect the objective.
I'm just trying to show the new gun, bro. Just trying to try it out. Yeah, I'm going up. Bro, why? Jesus, man. Just want to say thanks for watching. If you did enjoy the video, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to see future uploads.